assessment asks us to theorize why aromatic molecules were discovered before anti-aromatic molecules. If we just think about aromatic versus anti-aromatic molecules are stable. They're more stable than we would otherwise expect. They can be isolated, they can be purified, they can be characterized. We can learn things about aromatic molecules because they're relatively stable. Anti-aromatic molecules are inherently unstable. They don't really exist very much at room temperature. They're not really able to be isolated or analyzed or characterized or purified. So if we think back to early chemists who didn't have the modern tools and sophisticated instruments that we have now, they didn't really have any way to isolate these unstable anti-aromatic molecules. Whereas the aromatic molecules just exist in nature, and so they were able to be isolated and purified and characterized. So because those aromatic molecules were stable and just naturally existed, and the anti-aromatic molecules did not, that could be a reason why the aromatic molecules were discovered long before anti-aromatic molecules.